Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an amazing AI tool called Manus.ai. Manus.ai is an all-in-one AI assistant where you can assign tasks or ask anything in one place. Recently, Manus launched its new update called Manus 1.6 Max, which is a high-performance AI agent designed for complex tasks. Inside Manus.ai, you can connect multiple tools easily. It supports many popular apps like Browser, Gmail, Google Calendar, Linear, Notion, Canva, Outlook Mail, GitHub, and many more. If you want, you can create slides, build websites, develop apps, and even design images. The whole process is very simple. To try it out, I'm going to generate a mobile app. So, I'll enter a prompt like this: create a mobile app to save my cooking recipes. Each recipe should have a name, ingredients, and steps. I want the option to add, edit, and delete recipes. Design the app with a modern and user-friendly layout. This is my prompt. If you want, you can also connect any app, but for now, I'll just click on the Generate button. It will start processing and begin creating the recipe app. It also generates a design document and a to-do structure. Just wait patiently while it processes everything. Once the processing is complete, you can see that the app is ready. Here, you'll notice a plus icon where you can add the recipe name, ingredients, and steps. After entering the details, simply click the Save button, and the recipe will be saved perfectly. If you want, you can ask another question, like adding a feature to recognize recipes by meal type, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It will start processing again, and as you can see, it generates new features like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and more. So you can easily try it out and generate apps using the Manus 1.6 update. Now let's move on to another feature. As I told you earlier, you can connect multiple apps inside Manus.ai. So to try this out, I will first connect my Gmail account. I just click on the Connect button, allow access to my Gmail, and then click on Try it out. Now here I need to enter a command. For example, I type, read my last 10 emails and summarize them in bullet points. Highlight any important or urgent messages. Once I hit Generate, Manus starts processing the request. It scans my last 10 emails and identifies which ones are important or urgent. This may take a little time, so wait here patiently. Alright, now you can see the results. Manus has summarized my emails in clear bullet points, and I can easily review everything at once. Now, let's try something more advanced. I will ask, summarize the details of any Google Security Alert emails and provide the direct link. Again, Manus starts processing. After a moment, it shows the complete summary and also gives me the direct link to the Security Alert email. As you can see, it's super easy and very powerful. Manus.ai works like an all-in-one system to manage your tasks, emails, and daily work in one place. So I highly recommend trying it out. So that's it for today's video on Manus 1.6 Max. As you can see, it's a powerful update that lets you create websites, apps, designs, and slides all in one place, faster and smarter than ever. If you want to try it yourself, make sure to click the link in my bio. When you sign up using my link, you'll get 1,000 free credits so you can test all these advanced features without spending anything. Go ahead, try it out, explore Manus 1.6, and see what you can create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.